Hello everyone, I'm Mohammad Nasif Nawaz, civil engineer. Welcome to my channel SDC Designs. Subscribe our channel for more videos like this. In today's video, we are going to discuss about wall. It is the fourth video of the series Revit basic to an intermediate level. So let's proceed for today's class. Today we are going to discuss about walls. To create walls in Revit, you can go to architectural template and click on walls, or you can simply press WA from your keyboard. You can see that now our wall command is activated. Here is its shape factor, it's how the wall should be looked like. You can create wall by simply using line command, rectangular wall, you can give polygonal work, circular wall, arch shaped wall, and many things. And here is the properties of wall. You can see that its height is means, if as we are in level 1, if we create a wall, it will go upper side of wall to an unconnected height. Here is unconnected, so an unconnected height of 8 meter. If you select depth, then the wall will created below the level 1 to an unconnected height of 8000 millimeter. Now we will change it to height. As this is unconnected, we can change its height to any amount. But if we wish that our wall should be start at level 1 and should be ended at level 2, then we will have to just change the unconnected from here to level 2, so that our wall will start from level 1 and its top constraint means it ends at level 2. Okay, now if you change its location line means from where you wish to draw the line. You draw a wall by giving its wall to wall, center to center length. You can give its core line, means core concept and wall concept. The difference is that in wall you can see that, okay, let us provide it first. Its wall center line, let us created a wall here. You can see that this line is at the location line is at the mid of this wall. But if we change our wall properties to some other extent, that's stacked wall, and if we select it as core center line, you can see that our wall is created, but the center line is at that position. Whenever going to find, you can see that it is its location line is at the center of the wall, but in this wall this part is core wall and we are at the core center line, and rather the part are its coverings. Okay, now this is that we will discuss about it later. So again, go to wall command. We can create a wall by giving its interior or exterior finish face measurement. We can create it by its coarse interior and exterior measurement. Okay, now this is the basic setup of wall. Now you can in properties panel, you can see that there is a lot of types of wall. In today's chapter we will close the generic walls only. In our next chapter we will create the others. The generic wall is, it's a wall where you can see that in property panel the difference between walls are. Okay, in generic brick wall we can go to edit type and click in structure, click on edit. You can see that it's only consists of one layer, and as we have created a concrete masonry unit, so the material is concrete masonry. Okay, you can see that in our wall commands, there are in properties panel, while activating wall commands, you can see that we have a lots of wall, lots of different types of wall. It's a 300 millimeter wall. Okay, it's 225 millimeter wall. It's interior 79 millimeter walls. Okay, you can see it in realistic for better understanding. Okay. But you can see that, let us assume we will have to create a 250 millimeter thick wall, but in properties panel there is no 250 millimeter wall. So what will we have to do? We have to click on any of the generic wall, and now go to edit type, and now go to create a duplicate wall. Okay, because if we change here, the whole property of the wall would be changed. So let us create a duplicate wall. Okay, now you can see that we have changed only the name, but the structure is also same. So go click here and in the edit panel and change its thickness to 250 millimeter. Press OK. Okay, now if we create a wall, the wall is 250 millimeter wall. Likewise, we can change our measurements to our desired measurement. Okay, while go to 3D view, we can see that our label has been created, and in any of the elevation view, whenever we go, as we make our walls top constraint, so let's top constraint to level 2, so all our walls created to level 2 only up to. Okay, now if we create a wall and create its unconnected length to 8000, and we have created this wall. Okay, now if we go to 3D view, you can see that our wall has been created. We are going to realistic view or shaded view for better understanding. A wall is created to an unconnected view, height of 8000 millimeters. Sorry. If you wish to attach the wall to level 1, then just select that wall, go to its top constraint and change it to level 2. You can see that Revit is being a smart software. Revit can automatically make its height to adjust its height to level 2. Okay, this is for today's lecture, because in our next lecture we will discuss about modification on properties of wall and different types of wall. The wall is a vast chapter. It will cover 2 to 3 episodes. So please subscribe our channel and get connected with us to get more videos like this. Thank you.